How to solve login issues or problems accessing the Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can solve login issues or problems accessing the Facebook app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've been having issues while accessing or logging into your Facebook app, then it's very simple. First of all, it could be the application bug or the account issues. So first of all, long press the Facebook app icon, tap the I button, then just go to storage, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Open up your Play Store, then search for Facebook, check if the Facebook app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now once you've done that, what you basically want to do is simply go ahead and open up Facebook, and if you're not being able to access your account, it could be that you enter incorrect credentials. So you want to make sure that your details are correct. So just select login to another account, make sure to just choose the option called forgotten password, and then just go ahead and then basically enter your mobile number over here. And then once you've done that, you should be able to reset your password if you send it to a link, or you can enter a password to log in. So this way you can fix login issues and problems accessing the Facebook app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.